Why is the WINNEO system better than a single factory? Because WINNEO don't sell products, we deliver effective, fast and accurate solutions. In an era of abundant goods and ever-changing substrate shapes, a single factory can no longer meet today's complex printing demands. Supply chain. With 20 years in pad printing, WINNEO has put China its best consumable resources, so we can handle various printing challenges or production needs. Pre-sales. Dedicated sales personnel provide one-on-one service, listen carefully to your needs, then tailors a production solution that fits you exactly. Mid-sales. WINNEO's crafts 7-step quality control assurance system ensures precise matching of product quality with your needs through standardized and meticulous 7-step management, providing full-cycle assurance for delivery. Corresponding quality inspection reports are available for each product. After sales, step-by-step install commissioning guides, online support for any questions, ensuring smooth production. WINNEO believes that the best printing results are achieved when machines and consumables are integrated. Therefore, we have summarized 20 years of accumulated printing plate making principles and experience into an operable and monetizable plate room system, giving you an in-house plate workshop for faster turns and sharper competitive edge. Over the past 20 years, we repeatedly asked ourselves, as a brand, how do we provide superior product solutions than a single factory? Our answer is the 5-tier brand management engine, preferred supply chain, full process quality control, rigorous pre-shipment QC, smart logistics, user tracking after sales care. WINNEO brand management system. From production to delivery, we own the journey, so you own the premium quality.